So how to use kind of practically implement, or how to practically, I would say, you know run our life by divine guidance or presence of Shakti, the life force, mother, the divine mother, any name one can give, even the divine only, in whatever way you want to call it. So how to live our life by guidance of that divine presence. So for example, if there is a work in your hand, if there is a work to be done, so what we do is we do the best possible in our intentions that we can do that work with no selfish interest whatsoever. Now, what is meant by selfish interest? Selfish interest means that it's hidden interest for name, for fame, hidden interest for some incentives, hidden interest for some bonus, some appreciation, some all these hidden agendas that our mind has. So one has to be really clear in the intentions that this work that I'm doing it as an offering to the divine mother, or the presence, that Shakti that is making me work. I do it as an offering. Now it may happen that many a times there are thoughts, there are memories which kind of come back to us, and we wonder what to do about it. Even there, I've seen what, again speaking from personal experiences, uh, if we kind of begin to think about it again and again, again and again, again and again, it doesn't do any help. So the best thing is to say that mother knows the best. Mother knows the best, and she would guide what to do about it. And you would not believe that circumstances will be arranged in a way, things will happen in a way, if you are destined to walk that path. If we are not, if that walking that path, the thing that you are thinking about, anything, it can be anything, it can be your business, it can be your job, relationships, all, everything under the sun, anything that you might be thinking about and worrying about, the moment you begin to worry about that thing, that person, that relationship, that job, that office, that money, immediately you say to yourself, mother knows the best and she will guide. And if you are to walk that path of that job or the money earning, or anything, you will be shown a way in no time, or when a suitable time comes. बट होता क्या है कि मन जो होता है वो धैर्य नहीं रख पाता बहुत टाइम. काफी बार ऐसा होता है कि धैर्य नहीं होता है, धीरज नहीं होता, वन डजंट हैव दैट पेशेंस that oh my god, it's not happening, it's not happening. So there we have to see this selfish interest. What is the interest? The interest is that it should happen. ये हमारा interest हो गया. Now this is what we need to get rid of, because we, in that case, I am thinking that I know the best. Mother doesn't know because mother is not helping me. I know the best and this should happen. Now why is it not happening? While if you are sincerely at your work or workplace, home place, anywhere, and you are doing your job that is granted to you, you are doing what is required at the moment from you, any work that is required. When you are doing that, then it doesn't matter, you're just doing it as a service to the mother, and there is no hurry, there is no impatience. So one has to recognize this impatience and see that we become impatient only because we think that we know better than the mother. If I am patiently doing my work with, as if it is needed, if it's a fast work, I do it fast. If it's a slow work, long work, I do it taking my own time. Sometimes there are deadlines to meet. So you again do it in your best of intentions. But these hidden agendas are what should be revealed to us. They should not remain hidden, because mother will be able to guide us to clean our shadows only when we reveal it to the mother. So when I'm seeing this hidden agenda in me, that mother, now this thing is coming up that I want praise, or something is coming up, show it to the mother. Show it to the mother that, mother, this praise thing still bothers me, or this rejection thing still bothers me. This, that person says something, it still bothers me, mother. Like that. So then we are shown the right way, the right attitude with which we must work. And again, in all the situations, whenever something is burdening us, we can always immediately relate to the divine. Mother, you know the best, and uh, I'll be at your feet. Whatever work you will grant me, I will do it with best of honesty, best of sincerity, wanting nothing in return, being glad that I have been given the work. I have been given this life, and I have been given your presence. What more can I ask for? And then this patience or calm inside flowers, or even blossoms, because then that there is a kind of a desire in you, there is a demand in you, but the demand also has now been put to rest, because you have told the demand, mother knows the best, and if I am to walk this path, I will be shown a way whenever the right time is. And if I am not about to walk this path, if I am not supposed to walk this path, then mother will create such circumstances where it's not possible for me for walking that path. Either it's a job, it's a relationship, it's about anything. So one needs to have that faith that if it is for me, if it is for my own good health, good being, then it will be shown to me in good time. And if it is not meant for me, then I would not have it. And it's better that I don't have it.